Thanks so much for joining us for the Pix 11 News at 4. I'm Tamsin Fidel.
And I'm Erin LeBeau. We have a tornado warning in New Jersey right now affecting multiple counties.
Yeah, G's tracking the weather alert for us this afternoon. Hello, sir.
Yeah, crazy, isn't it? In the middle of February, getting tornado warnings at this latitude and longitude is unbelievable, but here we go again. Wild, wicked weather is now developing in the southern portion of our viewing area down to Mattawan Point south and west. The hail is bouncing around. We picked this up, and now the tornado warning is issued to 4:15. I want to make a couple of points about this. It's Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth County. It's East Windsor, Hightstown, Roosevelt, and Twin Rivers. But the composite picture with hail here is also showing that it's collapsing. It's not as intense as it was just a few minutes ago, which means that the warning will expire. But right now at 4:02 for the next 13 minutes, once it starts collapsing, it's good news. But they're very bright and smart to keep the warning up because the rotation is there still. So we're going to watch this very carefully. We have Adelphia, Ardena at 4:08. You got Farmingdale and Carmenville in New Jersey till about 4:16. That should do it. But it's important that it's collapsing means the tornadic spin has become less visible in the cloud and less visible to National Weather Service, and that's good news for them. The number of strikes, lightning in this is only 2, so it's embedded with a lot of wind, or it's embedded with some rain-heavy cells at that. But again, the lightning strikes are not there. This is important because, again, when a collapsing cell is in motion, it moves rapidly and it begins to dissipate. You see it goes from a very bright red to a kind of pale red. So seek shelter in the next 13 minutes. Go to an interior room away from windows, lowest floor, bathroom or closet is the safest place to be. Your local forecast, we're going to have that later on.
All right, thank you, G.